Let us see few programs in file handling. First one, write a C++ program to print number of lines in a text file. So what is the question here? You have a text file abc.txt, some file. You have here hello, hello, lpu, one line, then good evening, another line, right? How are you? Like this, you have 3 lines. You have to count number of lines in the text. So what you have to do here? First, you have to let that there be a existing file. So using OF stream. Okay, do we have to use OF stream? No, I have to read it, right? I have to read. So I have to write IF stream. I have to use IF stream. Open that file. Open that abc.txt file with some object. After that, you have an object obj1, right? You have the object obj1. Now, using this object obj1, you have to take each line from this. How do you take it? You can take some while loop, while get line of, you can declare a string here. String maybe str. Okay, so get line that obj1 comma str. So what will do? It will take first line from this and put in str. Just you take another variable count. Count, let it be equal to 0. So you write here count plus plus. That's it. It's simple. You already know how to find out every line of the text. We have to use get line function. Okay. So this get line function will help us to copy each line from this into this string. Okay, then you can count it directly. You can make unless until you get some line, it will keep counting it. Once everything is over, just see out the value of count. That's it. It is very simple problem. You have to open a file. After opening a file with read permissions, because I want to there exists already a file. You just have to read that particular file, content of that file. So using if stream, you create an object, and then that object you use get line function. Get line function will help us to get each line from that particular text file, line by line. Okay. So why I used while loop? Until there exists some line, keep taking the values. Okay, right? So until you get the text from that, you keep iterating over that loop. Once you get these values from that particular string, once you get the values from that particular string, then you can count that count plus plus, and you can print that count. Okay. Let's see the next problem. So see, write a C++ program to count number of words in a text file. Okay, count number of words in a text file. So how do you do this? How to count the number of words? See, I have a text file. For now, let us take a simple base case. I have only a single line here. Hello world LPU, a single line there it exists. Okay. Then here you have to use string stream class. If you remember, what is definition of stream? I will repeat here. What is definition of stream? Anything which is taken as input and which is giving as output, that is stream, right? In string, we have a class called string stream. We have a class called string stream. There exists a string stream class. Okay, if you create an object with this string, again there is I string and O string stream. There exist two classes, I string and O string stream. What it will do? Actually, it will take this full text, okay, and give stream by stream. Means it will automatically give you break this, word by word. It will take the word by word. Okay, this string stream class will take maybe here there is ABC 123, AB1, some words are there here in the text file fully, right? So you can take the what this string stream class will do. This string stream class will copy the first line first. Using get line, I will copy the first line. In this first line, I will count number of words. For that I have to use iString class. Okay, we have to use iString class, which will help us to count. What it will do? It will create a stream. It will create a stream. That is stream. What is stream? A text input or output, whatever it is. So hello world LPU, hello world LPU will be there as a stream. Here, how many streams it will give? It will give me 3 streams. So that way we can count it out. Okay, we will see the implementation of it. We have to use iString class. There exists iString stream, OString stream. Let me just go back and show you that about the string stream classes what we have seen before. See here, we discussed that in IO stream we are having IO stream which has iStream, OStream. Similarly, we have FStream class which has FStream, IFstream and OFstream. Same way there exists a string stream class which has iString stream, OString stream. Okay, so we have to use stream header file. You have to include stream header file. What is the use of this stream header file? It will, again, what is the use of the string stream class? The string stream class will create strings. It will create stream. It will generate stream. Means it will generate some text. So in this problem here, when I am discussing this, what is happening here? I am using getLine function. I am getting this first line into a maybe I can write object1 comma str. What getLine will do? It will get me the first line. So what does str contains? Str contains hello world LPU. Then I will create a input iString stream class. I will create an object for that. What this will do? This object, it will take this complete string hello world LPU and it will give me stream by stream, means byte by byte. Okay, and whenever there is how long will it give? It will give this as one stream, this as one stream. So with that logic we are able to count the number of words. So you will iterate getLine every time you get the getLine, and every time you will count the number of words here, and you will maintain a counter plus you will keep doing it until this string stream gives you the words. If you remember, if you declare like this string str, and if you write here cin of str, it will take only one word. We have seen some examples. It will take only one word. It will not take the entire string. Even if you give hello good evening, it will store only hello in str. For that only we are using getLine of cin comma str. So this will help us to read the entire word. It means, you see here, it means this is the logic here. In string stream it is generating streams. How it is generating streams? It is generating string streams. So hello will be one string, good will be another string, evening will be another string. That count I can increment it. We will see the implementation of it and understand how to count number of words in a text file. Okay. So the third question here, write a C++ program to copy contents from one file to the another text file. So already there is one file first.txt. It has some content into it, I want to create another file second.txt and I want to insert into this. Okay, it's very simple program. What you can do, create an object for this with read permission. So using if stream, you create an object obj1. What does this obj1 has? obj1 has the privilege to read content from this file. Okay, so read the content from this file using this object. Then create another object obj2 with ofstream obj2. What will this obj2 do? It will help me to write content into this file. So second text is empty. You can create a object for write permission using ofstream. So what you can do? How do you copy content from this text, from this file? You know that you can simply write obj1 like this. You can give str. Okay, or you can use getLine, also. What getLine will do? getLine will take the content object1 comma str. So it will read the content from this one and put into str. That now str contains the first line of the string, for which you have an object obj2. Simply write obj2 of str, that's it. This you write in some while loop or some looping condition, your job will be over. I'll repeat once again. You have a file first.txt, it contains some text already. Create a read pointer, create a read permission object. I have created that. Using that, you take using getLine, you read every line by line, you keep reading it. Once you read every line, use object2 to write into the file. Why? Object2 has the permission, it has the control over the second file, second.txt. With write permission it has. That's why in while loop, while getLine object1 comma str, write simply object2 and you insert, using insertion operation you put str. So every line fetched from text1 will be moved into text2. So this is a simple program again. Only thing, cleverly you have to create two pointers or two objects, one with read permission, other with write permission. Read permission on file 1, write permission on file 2. Using this, you can take a content from always from here and copy them into second text. Okay, a simple one. We will implement this and see. So let's see the program number 4. Write a C++ program to find and replace a specific word in the text file. Okay, so assume I have a text file with me, some with some words. Maybe it can be having multiple lines or a single line. I have something hello, good, LPU, something. I have some words here. Okay, so we have to give two inputs here. Which word you want to find, so that I have to give it. Maybe I want to find out LPU. Okay, and I want to replace with maybe first. Okay, some with one string, I want to replace with other string, or I want to replace LPU with C++, something like this. Okay, so what I have to do here, you have to use two functions. There are some inbuilt functions in C++, or specifically files, that we are going to learn it here. What is that inbuilt function? Directly we have a function find. Okay, there exists a function find. Find of, you can give in double quotes LPU. It will give you the starting position. It will give you the starting position of this particular word in the particular given text file. Okay, so there exists a function find. So you have to have a read pointer and you have to have read and write both pointers. You need both the objects, one to read, other to write. Why? Reading is to go to that location and find out the string. Writing to replace that string. It means I have to append that particular file. So you have to create two objects, obj1 with read permission, obj2 with write permission. Okay, so when you do that, this find function will give you the position. Find function will give you the position. Then there exists another function replace directly in our files. You can give the new term C++. Where I have to replace, I have to give the position. So replace function will take multiple parameters here. It will take the position where you want to replace and with what you want to replace. Okay, with what you want to replace. Okay, so that is the simplest one. I hope you understood. We have to use two functions, find and replace. Okay, find will give you the position. I can capture that in integer or some variable. I can capture this position and I can give that as an input to the replace function. This replace function will replace the content into this. But see, find function should be used using object1. So I have to write something like this. I have to write there object1 dot find, and replace function should have write permission. So I should use object2 dot replace function. Okay, so using these two functions, job is very easy. Okay, these are two new functions. We will see the syntaxes of both while executing the program. Find function will take the string which you want to find it out, and also the replace function will take two parameters, in specific 3, but 2 are sufficient here. The position where you want to insert and what you want to replace it with. Okay, but there is a small challenge here. Suppose this string which I want to find is LPU, 3 characters, C++ is 3 characters, it is matching, that's okay. But what if the finding string is LPU, but the replacing string is Java. For example, it is Java. So it has 4 words and it has 3 words here. That's the reason you should be very careful. That one check I will explain you what you have to do. You have to also pass for this replace function. The third optional parameter is the length. The third optional parameter is the length of the LPU. What is the length of this old string? That is LPU. It is only 3. This 3 also I have to give. So position and 3 and this Java you give, it will only replace 3 characters. It cannot replace all the 4 characters. It can replace only 3 characters. That's why we have to send this 3 also as the input. Okay. Why? Because previous, you see, the text file might have a lengthy string, maybe HELLO, LPU, then something like this. I am replacing LPU with a 4 character one, but I have only 3 here. I am replacing it with 4. So this space will be gone. So you are disturbing the entire pattern. That's why you should be very specific and very clear which word you want to find and which word you want to replace. So that's why in replace function we have to give the position from where you want to replace and also the length, how much you want to replace, and the new word which you want to replace with. It will take these 3 inputs. So it's very easy to do with 2 functions, find and replace. Okay, we will see this syntaxes of this. Syntax is very simple. For find, it is the word which you want to find. For replace, it is position, the length and the new string which you want to replace it with. Using these 2 you can simply do. Only check is this should have read permission and this should have write permission. So for that you have to use if stream and OF stream. Create 2 objects obj1 and obj2. Right. So this is about another program of finding and replacing a specific word in a text file. So one more question on files. Right. Write a C++ program to sort text file lines alphabetically. It means I have a text file with me. There are some, maybe I will simply write some simple examples. There is one word mango, then orange, then there is apple, and there is banana. Like this I have 4 lines in the particular text file. I want to sort them alphabetically. So I am expecting the output to be something like this. I want output to be apple, then banana, then mango, and then orange. How you can do this? How you can sort these particular elements, right? You have to again apply some sorting technique definitely. You have to apply some sorting technique definitely here. Okay, maybe some bubble sort kind of thing you can take. But the thing here is that you will be taking this first character and this first character, and these 2 you will be passing as input to a function which will swap these 2 characters. Okay, I will be reading first character. How do I read first character? Okay, let's understand this problem. It is little complex, little only. I think you are already aware of this seekg and seekp functions, right? We are aware of the functions like seekg, seekp, right? So I can use this seekg for reading. So I will in the first line, first character I will take it. First line, first character I will take it. How do I go that? How do you use that? You can write seekg of 0, ios begin. Okay, this will give me the position. This will give me the first character. You just take at this. You are moving your count. You are moving your pointer using this seekg. You are moving your pointer to the first line, first character. That you take it in a variable. Let that be ch1. Okay. Then again write seekg. Where you have to go 0 again ios beginning, but the next line. How do you go to next line? Next line we know you know about getLine. GetLine function can read the first line. In this first line, what is the first character? You get it using seekg function. That is ch1. Okay. Then again using getLine, get the second character, first one. So that is ch2, ch3, ch4. Okay. So this way you are having 4. You are getting the control of the first 4 characters there. You are getting control of the first 4 characters. Using this, again I am explaining the logic here. See, you are trying to iterate. Let me write it. Mango, orange. Okay. You are with read permission. With read permission, create an object for this. Using that object, okay, use the getLine function. Use the getLine function. This getLine function will give you the first line of the text. So I got mango. From that, extract the first character, that is M. From that, extract the first character, that is M. Okay. Now, what you can do here, you got M. After getting M, you can copy this M into separate array. You can create another array here. Create another array here like this. In this array, you can place that character M, then O, then A, and then B. You can sort them. Some sorting logic you can do. But here we are having words. Here we are having words. For that, you have to swap it using some pointer. Means the mango's address 100, the orange address, that is 200. Those addresses you store here. Those addresses you store here in that array. Now, using these addresses, you apply some bubble sorting technique or some other sorting technique. It will sort those values. Okay. Logic is simple. You read each line. From reading each line, take the first read the first character, and that you store it in a separate array. The address of that character, you store that in an array. Okay. So this way you can read every line and get the first word and store those addresses in a separate array. Pass these addresses as input to a sorting technique. It will sort those particular words. It will sort those particular words. Any technique you can apply, bubble sort or something. We will see the implementation of this. Okay, we can do this. So these are again just 5 problems. First one, print number of lines. Second, number of words. Third, copy content from one file to the other. Then find and replace a specific word in text file. And the last one, sort text files alphabetically. Okay, some simple exercise or some important questions from files concept using C++.